Hello everyone, I'm Alfred J. Dadula and today we are going to talk about finding GCD using Euclidean algorithm. Finding GCD or finding GCF, greatest common divisor or greatest common factor using Euclidean algorithm is too much easier compared to the process that being taught to us by our teacher during our elementary. So let us see. Now let's find the greatest common divisor of 20 and 25 using the Euclidean algorithm. So we have a table which has 4 columns and 4 lines. First column Q stands for quotient, then column A and column B, then R stands for remainder. So how we are going to get the quotient and the remainder and what we are going to put here in column A and column B. In column A, of course, yung mas malaking numero yung ilalagay natin palagi. So, since ang malaking numero dito is ang 25, so we are going to put here number 20. So, since mas malaki yung 25, that's why 25 yung inilagay natin sa column A. Then sa column B naman, ang mas maliit na numero, which is number 20. So, ngayon, paano natin makuha ang quotient at ang remainder? So, we are going now to divide 25 by 20. 25 divide 20 is equals to 1. 1, then 1 times 20 is equals to 20 subtract equals to 5. Now, the quotient is 1, then the remainder is 5. 5. So, ano ang susunod nating gagawin? So, we have to shift. So, ang 20, dito natin ilalagay. Dito. 20, then, yung 5 naman, dito naman natin ilipat. Okay? So, ano naman ang ilalagay natin dito sa quotient, then dito sa remainder? Ngayon, we are also going to divide 20 by 5. 20 divide 5 is equals 4. 4 times 5 is equals 20. 0. 20 minus 20 is equals to 0. So the quotient is 4. Then the remainder is 0. Now, what we are going to do? Of course, we need to shift again. So 5 mapupunta siya dito. Then yung 0 ay mapupunta naman siya dito. So hangga't hindi nagiging 0 yung column B ay hindi tayo titigil sa pag-shift. Now, 5 divides 0, so hindi siya pwede. So we have to put here x and x since hindi na siya pwedeng ma-divide. So, the correct answer is 5. Therefore, The greatest common divisor of 20 and 25 is no other than 5.